The state is proceeding on the offense of tampering with evidence with the intent to impair as a third-degree felony. The court is calling 2023 CR 7596 State versus Ariante Emmanuel Jerome de la Cruz. Could I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Alex Sharp for the defense.
Could you have me move to the other? And are you Mr. de la Cruz?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. de la Cruz, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
File stamp for a plea, please. State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we are waiving count one and proceeding on count two.
Review the admonishments with your attorney. Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand, and count two, the state is proceeding on the offense of tampering with evidence with the intent to impair as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes,
Have a plea bargain agreement with the state. The court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering in this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? The court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
All right, off the record for a moment. Deputies, could you bring out Mr. Polk? All right, we're back on the record. Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count two. There's a $2,000 fine to be probated. The state recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution to Ethan Reyes. And that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
That's correct. Yes.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 10 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Ethan Reyes, and the cognitive thinking course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state? And the court does not have to follow those recommendations.
Yes, ma'am.
To count two, how do you plead?
Not, the second, I forgot the word. Not
Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Any evidence?
State offers states one an attachment.
No objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review this. Right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We can, Judge. The only issue would be whatever the restitution amount is.
Mhm.
And so, like, when I conferred with the state, they didn't really have a figure on what the restitution is. We could go forward on sentencing in general, but if there is, whenever they come up with the restitution amount, if we could have a hearing on that before that is imposed by the court.
Oh. So are you still employed at this location?
Yes, ma'am. I'm also in HVAC school as well.
All right, state. On this case, do you all have any objection? I'm assuming he's still a bouncer. I don't know if they trained them or not. From reading, it appears that
Oh,
people,
no, that's a contract. I do like HVAC and electrical. I'm no longer.
It does more construction.
Yes, ma'am.
now.
I'm no longer security.
no. My question is, according to this, he was a bouncer.
Yes, ma'am.
It appears that people, they would probably hire me as a bouncer if I just came in and said, hey, do you need employment? And they say, yeah, we need a bouncer. Okay. And send me out with no training. So my question is, state, do you have an objection to his continuing to be a bouncer at this club? I mean, at this place, what is it called? Private?
Yes, Judge. I mean, I would have an objection to that, but my understanding is that nightclub or whatever it is was closed down. So I'm not sure if he's still working for whatever.
He's not working as a security guard since this incident. He's doing,
Because while you're on probation, you're not allowed to have any weapons. You
Yes,
understand?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And the name of this club was PRIVAT
Correct. Your
with
Honor.
no E. This is what happens when we stop spelling things correctly. And what time is this alleged to have occurred?
It's in the early morning hours.
Nothing good happens after midnight, and now really nothing good happens after 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have any? Thank you. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
So what do you do in your spare time?
So I currently work and I go to school. I'm in a trade school. So I do that.
What are you doing with your trade school?
HVAC now.
Okay. All right, court is going to sentence you to a $2,000 fine. That will be probated. Proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider with minors or as security. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's to be no contact with Ethan Reyes. And I need a restitution hearing in 30 days. What date?
Uh,
30 days.
I can do September 8th.
All right, state on September 18th, you'll need to have proof of restitution.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's to be 200 hours community service restitution. That'll be waived if you obtain your trade school certification. If you don't obtain that, then you need to give me 200 hours. There is to be the state, do you want the cognitive thinking course? It appears that it was just somebody being placed in the position as a bouncer and they didn't receive any training.
Judge. Yeah, we're not requesting that, but just I would request then that he not be employed as any type of bouncer or security guard because he's not commissioned.
All right, thank you. There's to be field visits 1 time per month for 5 months. And there's to be the anger management course. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. All right, the state is asking for 10 years deferred adjudication. Defense.
Your Honor, and I told Mr. De La Cruz that if he wants to, we don't have any objection to whatever the length is.
Well, do you want 10 days outside the agreement is a request for 10 years deferred adjudication? Do you have any argument for or against the 10 years deferred adjudication, or do you want the court to order 10 years deferred adjudication?
I would argue that 5 years deferred adjudication is sufficient. I believe Mr. De La Cruz, once he gets through school, that he's gonna whiz through his deferred adjudication. He's gonna pay. He's gonna work. He's not using drugs, not drinking, and that he'll be done with it early, and we'll probably provide or submit a request for early termination. We'd ask for 5.
All right, the court will sentence you to 8 years deferred. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement? Yes. All right, do you need a transfer?
So no, not entirely. Because of this whole entire situation, I became homeless, so I'm just living out of my friend's house right now.
Okay,
That's his mother's address.
That's my mother's address.
okay.
So I just wanted something that was actually legit, like on paper.
All right, if you ever need a transfer, just let the court know.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a blessing.
Oh, thank you. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.